goes woof, cat goes meow, plane goes whoosh and touches down. House lifts up, leaf falls down, and tidal waves come rolling through. Buildings move and signs go up, and the child goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the bot say? Beep, 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 beep. What the bot say? Lego, 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 go. Lego, 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 go. Lego, 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 go. What the bot say? Big black wheels, arms that rise, moving trucks and raising signs, cross rivers and obstacles. Suddenly you're standing still. Your skin is white, so plastic full, like a rescue vehicle. And if a tower needs knocking down, will you be using too much force? Can you get through the obstacle course? What does the bot say? FLL, 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 FLL. What the bot say? Pie, 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 pie. What the bot say? The secret of the bots in first Lego League, trying to score lots of points in nature's fury. Why did you stop? Will you ever go? Your failures are a mystery, causing touch penalties. Your rescuing robot, bringing us all together to the safety zone. Robots made out of Legos. Republic of Pie.